Mainly just like the apple. I might be smelling like a water lotus. Y'all help me. Water lotus. Why is that so hard? Water lotus. Water lotus. Why is that so hard to say?
They gon' try to put it down like wow, it's been you and me since I made.
Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be doing two reviews actually, but this video is just gonna include one review, and then the video that I'm gonna post tomorrow is gonna include the other review. So that's why you're gonna see I'm wearing the same thing in tomorrow's video too. But in today's video I'm doing a review of pink tie-dye, you guys, from Bath and Body Works. Okay, I just recently got this one in my latest haul. If you guys didn't watch that haul, go check it out and see the other things that I got. But yeah, this is pink tie-dye. Y'all, this one actually surprised me, like the smell. I'm gonna get into that, but the packaging is like so nice. Like I do, like, I'm really into tie-dye, if you guys didn't know. Like I have tie-dye hoodies, shirts, pants, all that. So this is like perfect for me. You guys, I'm not really sure what this collection is called. I think it's like 90s throwback tie-dye, something like that. I don't know, but this one is the pink tie-dye, and on this one it's like the pink and the yellow tie-dye, pink and yellow tie-dye pattern right here. I like how the top matches too, like it's this pink color. The nozzle isn't pink, but that's okay, just as long as the top is pink. I think that's pretty cool. The mist itself is actually pink, you guys. It's not the bottle. So yeah, that's that. What else? Oh, okay, let's look at the notes. Fragrance notes. Pink Lady Apple, Water Lotus. I keep messing up Lotus, Water Lotus, and Cotton Blossom. And then down here it says, crush on this fun fragrance and dream of happy days. Tie-dye, like the pattern of tie-dye does make you feel happy, right? Right? Yeah, it makes me feel happy. Okay, let's do a sniff test. Definitely smell the apple first. So it's a very appley apple scent, okay? Definitely smell that. And then, like, I can definitely smell like something else. It's like a mixture of juicy apples and like the cotton blossom. I'm not really sure what the water lotus is supposed to smell like. Maybe like a aquatic type of scent, but I'm mainly getting like a very nice apple scent and the cotton blossom. And to me it smells like an apple laundry detergent, y'all. Like, it's so fresh and it's so clean, very clean, crisp like scent. It's so nice. Like, I didn't know that I was going to actually like this one that much, because I heard that it smelled like an aquatic type of fragrance. I mean, I like aquatic fragrances, but I'm more into like fruity scents and yeah, stuff like that. And I didn't think that I would actually get the apple note, but yeah, I definitely smell the apple. And like, it smells like fresh laundry with apple scent. Maybe even like dryer sheets. Apple scented dryer sheets. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm smelling. Laundry detergent type of smell. It smells like, it's like adding a more freshness to your clothes, in my opinion. That's what it smells like to me. And like some flavor, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it smells so good, you guys. Like, I actually think this one would last pretty long. It actually lasts pretty long on me, like on my clothes. It's not that light of a fragrance. Hold on, let me try this on my skin. I'm not really sure if I've tried this on my skin yet, and like what the dry down is like. But I have been using this, y'all, like on my clothes, like when I go out. It just smells so fresh and like clean. Okay, let's see what this is like. Definitely still smell the apple. Yeah, mainly just like the apple. I might be smelling like a water load. Y'all help me. Water lotus. Why is that so hard? Water lotus. Water lotus. Why is that so hard to say? But yeah, to me it just smells like fresh apple, like air freshener. It's just one of those scents that I feel like would work perfectly for like a room spray, to be honest. If you want to freshen up your room too, it's like one of those type of scents. But yeah, you guys, I've also heard that people said it's like the what is it, pink apple punch. I've never had that candle, but people saying that it's like that type of scent. If you like that candle, you're definitely gonna like this, I guess, if it's the same thing. But it's so good, you guys. I do wonder how the cream smells, but I probably won't get the cream because as y'all know, I'm more into the mists. Oh, excuse me. I'm more into the mist. But yeah, I have two other fragrances that have apple in it. These are actually my mom's. I gave them to my mom. Country apple. Y'all, I forgot. I don't even know what the scent notes for country apple is. I'm just gonna see if it smells like it. No. To me, it doesn't smell like country apple. Country apple, it smells maybe related, but country apple I think has florals in it, so I'm smelling more floral in country apple. And this is like apple freshness, fresh air, fresh clothes type of smell. That's what I'm getting with this. And I also have here the champagne apple and honey, and I'm just noticing that this actually has pink lady apple in it too. Okay, they both have pink lady apple, sparkling champagne, jasmine, honey, and autumn woods. Now, champagne apple and honey, it smells so good. This is definitely more of a sweeter apple scent. Yeah, definitely a lot sweeter. Yeah, like an apple that you can eat. So, to compare, country apple is more apple floral, like fruity floral type of smell. Champagne apple and honey is like fresh, like juicy sweet apples that like edibleness. Yeah, this one is like edible. Or drinkable, whatever, if you want apple juice. It doesn't really smell like apple juice, but it just smells like maybe you could drink this or eat it. And pink tie-dye is more like apple, fresh clean, laundry, dryer sheets type of smell. So yeah, that's the comparison, you guys. They definitely don't smell exactly, they definitely don't smell alike in my opinion. Yeah, they don't smell alike to me. I feel like maybe maybe country apple could be related. Kind of, sort of. But in my opinion, I think this is a very much different scent than any of the other fragrances that I actually have. So I'm actually pretty happy that I got this one. And I blind bought this one, and I'm happy with it. That's like, I mean, I wouldn't say it's rare, but that happens sometimes. I regret blind buying things, but this one is a win. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. If you've tried pink tie-dye, let me know what you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it. But yeah, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.